The 12th order of the day is a motion on completion of the ongoing construction work at the Nigerian Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State, standing now Honorable Jimo Abrahim. Honorable Olajide is invited to move the motion.
Federal Constituency of Lagos State. I stand to move the motion number 12 on the order paper dated 17th March 2021. Read thus: completion of ongoing construction work at Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State. The House notes that the construction of Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State, started in December 2012 on hectares of land of 100. The structure is fenced with 2 blocks of classrooms with 24 classes were completed and equipped chairs and tables, and administrative blocks that contain about 80 lecture rooms and more than 60 offices. Also note that the purpose of establishing the school, among other intelligence schools throughout the country, is for the capacity building and training of the Nigeria Police Force personnel, as intelligence is key in every policing all over the world. Aware that a similar school was commissioned at the Police Detective College, Enugu State, in 2013 by the former Minister of Police Affairs, Navy Captain Caleb Olubolade, alongside the Inspector General of Police then, Muhammad Abubakar. Also aware that contrary to the policy direction of President Muhammad Buhari on continue with the legacy project inherited from previous administration, the ongoing construction of Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State, has not been given the necessary attention since 2015. Concerned that further delay to complete the ongoing construction of Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Kwara State, will not only jeopardize the efforts and achievement already recorded, but will make the millions of naira spent on the project a waste of public fund. Cognizant of the fact that the host community of the school appreciate the effort of Nigeria Police Force and therefore call on the federal government and in particular Nigeria Police Force to complete the ongoing construction of Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State, convinced that with the necessary legislative intervention, all hands will be on deck to ensure that the ongoing construction of Nigeria Police Intelligence School, Share, Kwara State, is given all that is required in terms of funding for the school to become operational and effective in helping to find lasting solutions to the numerous security challenges.
Taufik is my name. I represent Moshiwan in Lagos. I rise to second the motion ever moved by my brother and friend, Honorable Olajide Jimo. The Speaker, I so second. Thank you.
Let's record the amendment. Yes, sir.
Commandant to the school since then. I think, and this my amendment to be, since the commandant has been choosing for the school, and the school should start running, because it's 2012. All the provisions, everything, the facilities are there. Although some of the buildings are still under construction, but the commandant has been choosing. And that is why the commandant has visited to the school, and the school should start running for the purpose of intelligent education as the aim and objective of establishing the school, and the House Committee on Police Affairs to work on the compliance of this addendum to the motion. That's my amendment.
Mohamed Tar Munguno. I represent Marche Munguno, Ganza Federal Constituency of Borno State. I second the motion ably moved by the Deputy Chairman, Police Affairs Committee. I so support.
Against any? The ayes have it. Those in favor of the motion as amended say aye. Against any? The ayes have it.